Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. My name is Ajit Mauli, the founder and mentor at LearnPriceActionTrading.com. Let's take a quick look at what the mid cap and small cap indices are doing and what they're likely to do this week. So mid cap index on the monthly chart, if you see after giving a new high of 33 to 70 approximately started selling off. This is a very vertical move and all this could lead to even a greater fall. So you have to be cautious about your small cap and mid cap stocks. That's where we have the monthly demand zone. So that's quite a bit of a room. Though we do have demand zones here, those will be more from the trading range unless we break some critical supplies after hitting this demand zone and moving up. So these are the two demand zones. That's the best demand zone to invest in some of the good quality mid cap 100 stocks. This is where you can look at initiating trading positions on the long side. So this is bullish, but we have a very strong sell off that happened from this. So approximately, if you see from 33 to 70 to all the way 35, so more than about 200 2500 points cut, so that's not good. So be careful about the mid cap index. On the weekly, after the strong move up last week, we had a sell off this week. The sell off continued. We got a new low. There'll be smaller time frame demand zones here, which will probably push the prices back again to some daily supply zones here. So these are all short term income levels. Don't take aggressive positions. Swing levels will only be provided on confirmation and not immediately. This is the best area as of now. And we do have a nice tiny level here at around 26,000, which is hiding below this area of demand zone. So there are multiple demand zones, but there is a strong selling that is happening. So we could probably continue the selling up a little bit lower and probably at around 29,000 where we can initiate some long positions. On the daily chart, if you see, after that tremendous move up, we started selling off ferociously. So all those gains have been taken off very quickly. So that's a daily supply zone that we have on the mid cap. So that could be the cap for now. As of now, maybe it will be difficult for the index to move beyond this unless we have some good news coming in and they start moving beyond that. Along with that, we do have supply zones created here. So beyond this, we will be bullish up to this point. But critical supply is created right now. This demand is also breached. The next best demand zone on the daily chart for the mid cap index is all the way here. So if I remove this, so that is going to be your range for the mid cap index, approximately 31,400 to 28,800. So that's a range. If we break this areas, we are going to definitely head here. So be careful. You can look at some aggressive shots at these areas, and target one will be somewhere close to 29,700, and target two will be close to 28,800. But we are at retail areas and there's a lot of overhead supply. So be cautious about initiating long positions and do proper risk management. So that's what we have on the mid cap index. A lot of room to move down. So be careful. The next one is the small cap index. The small cap index has sold off more as compared to the mid cap index. So after giving a high of 11,900, we came all the way here. So this is where the next best demand zone is for you to be a buyer. You have to be patient for the index to come to this, and then you can pick up good quality small cap stocks. Right now, there is huge selling pressure that we can see on the weekly and daily chart. So this is that area of demand zone which I expected to break eventually. That's a weekly demand zone which will probably eventually break, come down all the way to this area. So this is the weekly demand zone where you can initiate good long positions from positional point of view. So be cautious about small cap stocks. Don't take aggressive positions. And remember, small cap stocks, when they fall very hard and they won't give you a chance to come back. So there is no demand. All this is weak demand. So I am expecting small cap index based on this chart, so the small cap index to come at least to 10,000 before we could see a meaningful bounce. There are new supply zones that are formed on the daily charts. Uh, that's a daily supply zone 1 here, there's a daily supply zone 2 here, and there is very weak demand here till this point. And once we break this, we'll probably bounce from here, go up, new supply, again come down all the way here. So be careful, lighten up your positions in profit, and wait for new confirmation to go long on the mid cap index, especially wait for the weekly closure, this weekly closure. If mid cap and small cap indices close bearish below this, then you need to be cautious and do not take aggressive long positions, because you will get the same position at much cheaper prices. All right, so a cautious approach towards small cap and mid cap. More room to the downside is visible unless we hold this area of demand zone. Uh, so trade carefully the small cap and mid cap indices. Please go through this disclaimer.